Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to handle iframes in Cypress. An iframe is basically a web page inside another web page, and testing elements inside iframes can be tricky because Cypress does not support them out of the box. I will show you a simple and effective way to work with iframes in Cypress. Let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on E2E, click on new file. Enter the file name iframe underscore handling dot sci.js. Now, first thing we need to do here, we need to install the iframe. So here we open this npmjs.com and search here iframe cypress and then click on cypress iframe, add iframe support to Cypress. This is the command for installing the Cypress. Copy this command, open VS Code, enter command and click on enter. Now, iframe is installing. As you can view, up to date. After installation, this iframe package, you can open this package.json. And here, Cypress iframe version 1.0.1. Now, open this file and import Cypress iframe. In this tutorial, we will use this website. As you can view here inside this iframe, we need to click on this, or we want to verify this tag me text. So first we need to switch to the iframe. Right click here, inspect, and here you can view iframe, and then you can click on this. You can drag here, or either you can verify this text. First, you need to switch to this iframe. Open VS Code and first here define describe iframe handling and then callback function here. Inside this, we will write the test case. For writing the test case, we need to enter it iframe handling test case and then callback function. Now we have successfully import, and inside we will write the test case. First, we need to navigate to the URL. So here we will use sci.visit. From here, we need to write inside this block sci.visit and then enter the URL, copy this complete URL. Now, we need to load the frame. So we can load frame by using sci.frame loaded and then enter the locator here. Right click here, inspect, and here we can locate by class name. As you can view, the class name is demo-frame. Copy this class name, open VS Code and then dot class name. After loading frame, we need to shift focus sci.iframe dot find. We need to verify this text drag me. So we will locate this element and here ID is available. We can locate by ID. Hash ID dot then function t and bracket here. Now we have load the frame and then side dot iframe. We need to verify this text, so here we locate the element by ID. Now we will verify this text. After switch into this iframe, once rm text is equal to t dot text. First we will get the text and then use the assertion for verify the text. Expect frm text dot to dot contains and then enter the text which we want to verify. We want to verify text drag me. So here we will copy this text and enter here, remove this one, drag me. After verifying the text, we can log this text side dot log and then enter the variable name frm txt. Right click here and format the document. Now we can run the test. For running the test, we need to enter the command npx cypress open. Now Cypress is opening. Save this file. After open the Cypress, we need to click on configure, maximize the window and then click on configured. Click on configured and then select the browser. Click on Chrome. Click on start E2E testing in Chrome. Our test file name is iframe underscore handling. Click on this file name iframe underscore handling. Now test is running. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the URL and then load the frame. After loading the frame, it will switch to this iframe. Inside this iframe, it will switch. Test is running. Navigate to the URL and here you can view navigate to the URL, frame loaded, iframe, find this text, find this drag me inside this iframe and here we enter the assert expected drag me to include drag me and this is the log. We log here side dot log which contains this text drag me. Now you know how to handle iframes in Cypress. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to SP World for more testing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.